Hi everyone and welcome to Fitter with Lynette. Today I have some new challenging leg and core exercises for you. I also have a playlist for leg and core exercises. If you haven't checked it out yet, please do check it out. And now let's begin. The first exercise is called rotational lunges. You're familiar with this kind of lunge. This is called a straight static lunge. But however, we are going to add a twist to it today and we are going to change the direction of our lunges. So we're going to go one side and then on the other side. By doing this, we are challenging our balance more. We are going to twist our body on one side and then to the other side. So to perform this exercise, it's more dynamic. You're using more muscles of your body than doing a straight lunge. And if you want to include all the muscles of your body, just try to raise your arms up when you lunge. So now you're using your upper arm muscles also. This will give you a full body exercise. The next exercise is single leg lift. This is a very challenging exercise. For this, we shift our weight on one leg and lift the other leg up. At the same time, reach your arms forwards for balance. Come back to standing. So when you're doing this exercise, you're really engaging the muscles on the hamstrings, which are on the back of your leg, your glutes, your lower back and your calf muscles. As you can see, I can only raise my leg up to here. If you're confident, you can try to raise your leg higher, but this is quite challenging. As you do it a couple of times, you'll feel your legs shaking. That's quite normal, so don't worry about it. Try to get as many as you can and then you can take a break. Next, we're going to move on to exercise called sumo squats. I have done squats in many of my videos before. This is a variation of squat that we're going to do today. And this exercise really targets the inner thigh muscles. Breathe in when you squat, breathe out when you stand up. If you know the sumo wrestlers from Japan, they are always in this position. So we are using that posture in a form of exercise to target the leg muscles. When you're doing a sumo squat, your feet should be spread apart and your toes slightly pointing outwards. Then you do a squat and stand straight. Remember to tuck your tummy in when you're squatting down. If you want to make this exercise more challenging, when you squat down, hold for 5 seconds and stand up. Next, we're going to get down on a mat, and the exercise we're going to do is called bridge with a twist. That is, we're going to do hip open and then the bridge. Open your hips out like in a butterfly pose, hands by your side, and lift your hips up. Slowly lower down. Another important part of this exercise is having your feet pressed together. As you can see, my feet are close and pressed, and now I'm going to do a bridge and down. Having the feet close and pressed together is important because you're putting your body weight on your feet when you're lifting your hips up and down. The last exercise is a challenging exercise for the core, and for this we're going to lift both our legs and hands up, and it's called hollow hold. It means your body is a hollow in front and you just hold this position for as long as you can. After a few seconds, you'll start feeling the shake because your core has to be really strong to hold you up for long duration. If you're getting tired, you can take a short break as I'm doing right now and then try again. If you're able to do only for 5 seconds now, it's okay. Keep practicing it on a daily basis, and as you practice more, the duration of time that you can hold will keep on increasing, and this exercise will really challenge your core. That's the end of my session for today. If you're looking for more leg and core exercises, do check out the playlist on YouTube. Take care everyone, and I will see you next week with another workout. Bye.